Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm coming on to share my second digital kit that I've created, and this is actually a retro, colourful, romantic style kit. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you through the pages. Here's little Indy. She's just come back from the cattery because we've been away for a long weekend. Come on. Yes. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the pages that I have in the kit, and I'm also going to show you some pieces of papers and other materials that have inspired me to create this and that I'll be using in the journal that I make. I will leave the link to this kit in the description box down below. Now in there it's all a full-size journal for like half an A4 size paper. There's two pages of envelopes and journaling cards, and those journaling cards do fit into the envelopes perfectly. Go on, back to bed. So those are those pages. Lots of ephemera and tags, lots of gorgeous retro illustration images as well. So the tags are already layered up for you. Postcards. Page of corner pockets, and then just pockets for you to put any ephemera or tags in. I'll show you the other ephemera before I go on to the full pages. Now those are just printed on regular card, that's just regular paper, sorry, so it's just regular copier paper. Obviously if you print it on better quality paper it's going to come out much nicer, but there's no problem with the quality there. There's these set of cut aparts. These are printed onto cardstock, smooth finish cardstock, and I just love these. I think they are gorgeous. This is just a pack of cut aparts, basically, is all I've labelled them as. Bits of ephemera that you can use, things to turn into journaling cards, do whatever you wish with. Now these are bingo cards, which I've just styled. They are quite big. You can shrink them down and print 2 to a page. And here are the pages. So you have 8 full size pages, and that's what I mean. So A4, and it will just fold in half and make a lovely page. So they're beautiful, high quality pages. Lots of florals included. Edges and the centres are distressed as well. Lots of space for journaling and adding your own elements as well. I can't quite see that because it's washed out a little bit, but it's still there. It's just because of the lighting in the room. So that is the kit, and let me show you some of the extra bits that I've dug out from my stash. What I'm doing is, when I know that I've got a project coming up, and you know, you all have it in your mind, I want to make this journal next and I want to do that next, and then when you come on to do that journal you think, where was that thing that I put that I knew would go with this? So when I get a theme in mind, I just start one of these wallets, and every time I'm rummaging in my craft room for one thing or another, if I think, oh, that would go with this, I put it in this wallet. So then when you come to do your journal, you've got it all in one place, and you can add any little bits. Now these were bits just out of Happy Mail, and I think they go really well with the it's just one-sided. I think that's wrapping paper. This is just a lovely envelope. Some ribbon from packaging. Some retro, well, vintage hankies that I bought. So I thought they'd be gorgeous for cutting up for the corners or anything like that. And they're so soft as well. I just couldn't imagine using one. Like, I'm so used to using tissues. I actually bought these from a 1940s like reenactment show. That's got a lovely pattern on it in the background there. Sorry if I'm a bit snuffly, I have had a cold for a little over a week. And then again, I just dug out some ephemera whilst I was tidying up things that I thought would go with the kit that people have given to me in Happy Mail. Things that inspired me to make this kit as well. Oh, there was something else, it must be on the floor downstairs. And this is like a piece of embroidery. I thought that would be really nice. I want to try and use it on the cover, but I'm not sure yet. So we'll go there. And I've just come back from France, and I actually got this piece of material whilst I was in France. I think it's a fat quarter. It was €1.90, which I thought was quite good really for the quality of material. So I've got that as well. I also ordered some materials off Etsy. I think Artie Mays actually recommended the company, and they're actually 50s and 60s genuine pieces of fabric. It's really crinkly, sorry. So, sorry. The bag doesn't sound very nice, so I apologise. So I've got all of this beautiful fabrics in here. I might try and use the one from Paris as the background for the cover, and then just try and use this throughout, but I think they're gorgeous, aren't they? I think this was like a remnants bundle. There was lots of different ones on her Etsy page. So yeah, so that is that. Thought I'd just give you a little insight to how I prepare for my upcoming journals. No doubt I'll have tons of those wallets before I know it. And don't forget, if you want to purchase this kit, it will be listed in the description box down below. Thanks guys, bye!